Hello guys, this video will be in English. الفيديو التالي بالانجليزي، الفيديو بالعربي بتجدونه في الوصف اسفل هذا الفيديو او في التعليقات. This video guys, I'm gonna show you the latest Chrome extension I developed that helps you to recognize senders in Outlook for web. As an example here, as you see, I have an email from Facebook. So the avatar for Facebook is the F letter, and the second email is from Alan J. Tummel, and the avatar for Alan is the AT letters because Alan Tummel first name and last name starts with the A and T. So imagine that you have emails from senders that have the same name. You may get confused about who is the sender, or not easily recognize the sender by its avatar name or the name of the sender. So let's say that you have an emails from two persons or two people. The first one is Alan J. Tummel, and the second one has a similar name, which is Alan Jack Tummel. So the avatar will be AT. Especially when you create a new email, you may mistake sending them an emails or something like that. So this avatar helps you to recognize senders' emails. First of all, you need to install it to your Chrome browser. I'll leave the installation link in Chrome Web Store in comments or in the description of this video. Once you install it in your Chrome browser, go ahead to this puzzle icon on the top right corner, click it, and you will see that you have an extension called Sender Avatar Replacement. Let's spin it by clicking the spin icon to the tab bar. So the first time you run it, you will see that you have no rules. You need to create a new rule. So a new rule here, you need to put the search, which is the name that shows up here on the screen, or the sender name, and the replacement is what text you want to replace the avatar. So this Chrome extension has also a button here to easily copy the name instead of writing the name manually. You may mistake writing the name. So let's go ahead and copy Alan J. Tummel by clicking the copy icon here. As you see here, it says copied. Go back to the extension and let's right click and paste. And here for the replacement, I'll just for test, just write a test. We're gonna replace this later just for testing. The type of the replacement is text and image. We're gonna go back and change it to image, but for now let's change it to text. Save button and rule saved. So let's go back to the Outlook for web and refresh our page. So here, as you see, Alan J. Tummel has an avatar with the name test because we choose to replace his avatar with the name of test. We can do replace all the other senders. For the image here, we can replace, instead of using test, we can use an image as an avatar. So let's go to Google and search for avatar profile. Let's choose this avatar here. Right click on the image and choose open image in a new tab. So make sure that when you copy an image, it is an image, a link for an image that ends with .jpg, .png. It should be an image. Let's copy this all here. Go back to our extension, and instead of test here, let's paste the direct link of the image. Make sure there is no space in the link, and then choose an image here. Leave it 30 by 30. This is an optional. The default is 30 by 30, which is the best for view. After that, hit save button to confirm our changes. Let's go and refresh our Outlook, and boom, as you see here, we have an avatar for Alan J. Tummel. So each time I see his avatar, it's easy for me to recognize that this is the person that I'm dealing with. Okay, so let's just change Facebook, for example. Here, let's just first copy Facebook. Go back here and add a new rule from the bottom down here. Scroll down, click paste, and then for the text here, I'm just gonna type A C capital E face. Okay, now save, rule saved, refresh, and we have here face, as you see here, FAC capital. We can also find an image for Facebook and replace it, same as what we did to Alan J. Tummel. We can here, as you see here, we have rule number 1 and rule number 2. We have two rules here. If we want to delete a rule, just hit this remove button for Alan J, and now I have only one rule for Facebook. Click on save button, and we have only now one rule, and we deleted the role for Alan J. As you see here, Alan back to normal, and we are not replacing anything for him. This is the extension. I do gladly hope you like it, guys. Share with your friends, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you like videos, and see you in the next video.